Hello friends, welcome to Tech Hunt YouTube channel in English. This is Swarna. Coming to the first news is about WhatsApp business account. As we all know, WhatsApp has started its business account event, and now a new feature is rolling out in this WhatsApp business accounts. The new feature is add to cart. Just like in other apps, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, WhatsApp is also bringing this feature add to cart. With this feature, you can add any item or you can remove any item from the cart, and even you can see the list of materials you have added to the cart. Once you confirm the order, the seller will accept the payment from WhatsApp Pay and the order is ready for delivery process. These days WhatsApp is bringing many new changes and features in the app, and these changes are very user friendly. Let's see what more the new features are going to come. Moving to the next news is about WhatsApp again. We can do the payments in WhatsApp. All that we need to do is we need to activate the WhatsApp payment account. Just like Google Pay and other apps, this WhatsApp payment is also very easy and user friendly. I have explained how to activate this WhatsApp payment account in my earlier videos. Those who have missed can have a look at this video. Once you open the WhatsApp, you just tap on the three dot on the right side, go to the payments. Next, click on the add payment method. It will take some time. Select the bank account wherever you are having the account. Here I am choosing verify via SMS. That's what I said. Your mobile number has to be registered with the bank account so that you will get the verification through SMS. Once verified, just select the bank account. Okay, setup is complete and then done. Once this account is added to the WhatsApp, it will show the message like this. Then go for done. Done. Here my payment account is activated. Right now, this WhatsApp payment is enabled only for 2 crore users. The rest of the users will get this feature in a phased manner. Let me try. I can do the payment or not. Go to the new payment and select any chat. See here, I will get the message like this. The other person also need to activate their payment account in WhatsApp. Then only I will be able to transfer the amount. If you want to add one more bank account to the same WhatsApp, you can do like this. Add payment method, and then you need to select the bank account. Here you can see many number of the banks which are tied up with the WhatsApp. You can select the bank wherever you are having the account and which one you need to add. Here I am selecting HDFC Bank. This WhatsApp payment is also similar to Google Pay. The transactions will be easy itself. You will get the message like this: bank account is added successfully, then OK. This is how you can add the other bank account to your WhatsApp payment. If you want to remove any bank account from your WhatsApp, you can do like this. Select the bank, which one you want to remove. Go to the three dots. Here you will get the option remove payment method. You just confirm the remove. This is how you can remove the bank account in your WhatsApp. You will get the message like this: payment method successfully removed, and then OK. Successfully my HDFC Bank account is removed from my WhatsApp. So friends, this is how you need to activate the WhatsApp payment account. All that you need to wait for the update from the WhatsApp. Moving to the next news, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI) has shared the call quality ratings for the month of November 2020. As per the data, Vodafone and Idea are rated at the top. Idea has got the ratings of 4.9 out of 5 and Vodafone has got the ratings of 4.6 out. Moving to the next news is about Samsung Galaxy S21. Some leaks are out about the specifications of this mobile. As per the leaks, it is coming in 3 models: Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. Coming to the display, S21 is coming with 6.3-inch display and S21 Plus is coming with 6.7-inch and S21 Ultra is coming with 6.9-inch display screen. Looking at the specifications of the camera, it is said to come with 4 camera sensors on the back. Comes with wide angle 108 megapixel HM3 Nona Super PD sensor and 12 megapixel sensor with ultra wide angle lens, 10 megapixel sensor with folded telephoto lens, and it is also having laser AF module and LED flash and mic on the backside of the phone. As per the leak, it may come without charger and the headphone. As of now, Samsung has not given any information about the phone and expecting soon to launch this mobile. So friends, this is all for today's tech news. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.